Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Better Discord crashing when opening settings. So first of all, what you need to do here is to I will leave this link in the description below so you can download it. You need to download this betterdiscord.asr basically file here, and once you download it, then you need to go back to the download section and find the file here, and then you just need to press Windows and R key, just write a percentage app data percentage, press OK, and then locate Better Discord here, and then you need to go to data, and then you need to drag this file here, right? And after you do that, then just restart Better Discord and the problem should be fixed, right? So I will leave the link in the description below so you can download it, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.